For this video, I am going to teach you how to add a DNS record in GoDaddy. So I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process and how you can do that one. And the first thing that you need to do is to log into your GoDaddy account by heading over to godaddy.com and then just enter your username and your password. And once you are in, what you need to do is to go into your domain section. Right here, it should be situated on the left side part of your screen. And from here, go to your domain settings. Now, in your domain settings, head over to the section right here and locate DNS. So click onto that and then let it load for a few seconds. Now, once you're in here, then you should be able to see all of your record or DNS records on this or on the bottom part of your screen. And then this is where you can add, or once you click onto this add new record, then you should be able to add a new DNS record. So then just simply click onto it. And then what you need to do right here is to fill in all of the necessary information. Now for the type or the first section right here, this is the record. So once you click onto it, you'll have different options. So you can go for or add various types of records like CA, or I'm so sorry, like A, CNAME, MX, and so on. So this is just depending on what you need. So now on the second part, this is the name. So this is usually the icon or the www if you're adding a subdomain. And for the next one, this is where you'll need to fill in your IP address your domain should point to. And for the last one, this is the TTL or the time to live. So just leave it at default setting unless specified otherwise. So now once you fill in all of the necessary details, you can just go ahead and click onto this save button right here, and the new DNS record will be added to your list of records. Now before we end this video, so after adding the DNS record, keep in mind that it may take some time for the changes to propagate across the internet. So this can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours. So just be patient if the changes don't reflect immediately. So that's it for this video. That is how you can add a DNS record here in GoDaddy. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.